I just wanna see the light.
Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video here on my channel. In this video I'm going to teach you how to make a math game in Scratch, and it's much more simple than you think. It's actually really easy, so I can show you one I made like in 5 seconds here. If I drag it over to here, you can see here my game. If I press here, it says, "Hi and welcome to this math game. What is 7 plus 8?" And you answer, and if it says wrong like that, it says no, that was so close. And if you answers the right answer, it says correct. And it will continue looping this forever, like that. So then if you want to make your own like that, then you're gonna want to create a Scratch account. It's really easy. Just go to scratch.mit.edu and create account. It will say how you do, and then create a new project. So I have an empty project here with nothing in it, only the start sprite. And first I can call it like math game tutorial, like that. And then you can choose a backdrop here by hovering over this and click choose backdrop, and you can choose between all these backdrops like this, and then when you choose your backdrop you can choose a sprite, so I can use this basic sprite. Then you gotta, the first thing you gotta want to do is take this when flag clicked block and place it wherever you want in this playground thing here, and then you gotta wanna there's two variables we need, so we can delete this and click make a variable, and the first one you gotta wanna call number1 and click OK. And then you can have it visible if you want and not visible if you don't want to be visible. So I'm gonna have my invisible, and then you gotta create one more called number2, like this. So then you have your two variables. So then you gotta say when flag is clicked, set number1 and number2 to go to operators and choose pick random. So you gotta set this here, and then from 1 if you want it to be the least amount it can be 1, and then the max number 1 can be is 10, I can say, and then just take one more and drag it to number2. You can choose different things here, it don't need to be the same, but I choose the same. And then go to control and take a forever loop and place it there. Then or actually we don't need to set the numbers here, we can just delete them here, we can set them in the for loop. So if you wanted to say something in the beginning, just say here on looks, you can choose say, and then hi and welcome to this game, like that, and then for 3 seconds we can say, and then set the forever loop. And then we gotta have this set to set blocks like that, and number1 and number2, and then take pick random in both like that. Then go to control and choose wait. So we gotta have to wait before it says the next thing. And then go to sensing and choose ask. And then here you can type what you want to ask. So we can delete that, and because we wanted to ask the numbers that is randomized, we gotta need to go to operators here and choose join here. So just place it there, and then you can delete apple and banana because we don't want to join apple and banana. And then take one more join block and place it there because we gotta need 4 join blocks, I think. So like this, and then you gotta say here what is, if you want to ask what is, and then space, and then you gotta go to variables and choose number one, um, number one, and then you gotta say here space plus space, because we don't want the number one to be in like the same word as plus, so plus space plus space plus space, I mean, and then um, you gotta want to take number two and drag it here, and then question mark. So it will say what is number one, the value of number one, plus number two, question mark. And then you gotta want to go to control and take an if else statement and set it there. And then go to sensing and choose this answer thing here. And then you gotta also want it to have this equal thing under operators. So place the equal thing here and set answer in the first. So if answer is equals to, we don't want to check if it's equals to 50. So we say if answer is equals to, we gotta take this plus block, or if you want to have some else you can take minus, or like some of this, but I choose plus. So place the plus block here, and then go to variables and choose number one and number two, like that. So if answer is equals to number one plus number two, so if the answer of this is the correct answer, then go to here and choose this say block. So say, and then you can say what you wanted to say if you have the right answer. So correct, I can say, and for 2 seconds, and then if you want you can also play sound. Then just go to sound, and now I have no uploaded sound, so just go here and click choose a sound, and you can have all this. So I can choose like coin, like this. Yes, that we can choose, and just go out of here and then say start sound coin. Make sure that it's start sound, not play sound coin until done, because then it will play the sound coin first, and then it will wait until it's done, and then it will say correct. So make sure it's just start sound, and then else we can say like a sound that is for wrong. So choose a new sound, like effects or something, and you can have any sound you want. It really doesn't matter, but we can take like yeah, that we take. And so take your sound that you want and say start sound, glass breaking, and then go to looks and choose this say, and then you can say no, that was so close, or what you wanted to say when it's not right. And that should be it. So make sure to save it by clicking on save, and then you can set full screen and click play, and it says hi and welcome to this game. And we wait a second, and what is 3 plus 8? And we say 11, and it says correct, and play the coin sound. And here, what is 6 plus 6? So if we says wrong answer and says yes, nothing, and click enter, and it will say no, that was so close. And what is 1 plus 8? And yeah, that's 9, and it will continue like this forever. And of course you can make it much more advanced. Like I have this game here that I also have. This is not in English, it's in Swedish, but I can still show. So it says hi and welcome to the Moth game, like, and it's much higher. And then I made some Easter egg things. So this starts spinning, and I made this one, and then if you click one, this one comes. Like all this stuff, and it says like this, and yeah, you can make it much more advanced. And if you want, you can make, if I take this like I take this out of the way, like here, then you can choose, like, in the beginning we can say, like, if we set this position to x minus 250, so it will be there, and then we say in the beginning go to here minus 50 0, like that, and then we can go to sensing, I think. No, it's on motion, and then glide 1 second if you want that to 0 here, and then in the beginning, if we press play, it will glide in before everything starts, and you can have it spin, so like a repeat block here, repeat, so we can place this like here, so it so if we take that away and place it there, and then here in the repeat we can say up here, like, turn 36 degrees, and if we press stop and play, it will go in like this, and it spins really fast, so we can say repeat 360, turn repeat 360, and turn 1 degree, like this, and if we play again, you can see here it slowly spins around really slowly, and if we wait until it's done, then it will start the game like this, and it will work the same, and 3 plus 3 is 6, and it says correct, and if it says the wrong if I say the wrong answer, you say no, that was so close. And yeah, that's it for this tutorial. Hope you enjoyed this scratch tutorial. Make sure to leave a like if you enjoyed, and if you didn't enjoy, you can dislike the video too. And if you're new, please subscribe. It's 100% free, and it shows me that you like my videos, and I will continue making videos like this. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I see you guys in the next one. Bye.